Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're tackling how to set up Afterpay in 2025. If you're looking to shop smarter without breaking the bank, Afterpay is a fantastic buy now pay later option that lets you split your purchases into 4 interest-free installments. It's super popular and even more user-friendly in 2025 with new features like enhanced security and seamless integrations. Let's dive right in. First, head to your App Store, whether it's Google Play or the Apple App Store, and download the latest Afterpay app. It's free and takes just a minute. Once installed, open the app and tap on Sign Up. You'll need to enter your email address, create a secure password, and add your phone number for verification. Next, check your email or phone for a verification code and enter it to confirm your account. This step ensures your information is protected. Now, Afterpay will prompt you to link a payment method. Choose your preferred option, like a debit card, credit card, or bank account. In 2025, you'll also encounter upgraded security features, such as biometric verification with fingerprint or Face ID, to keep your details safe. After linking your payment, review your profile settings and make any necessary adjustments, like updating your shipping address. You're now ready to start shopping. Just browse partnered stores, add items to your cart, and select Afterpay at checkout. A quick tip: always monitor your payment schedule in the app to avoid any late fees, and only use Afterpay for purchases you can afford. It's a great tool, but responsible use is key. There you have it. Setting up Afterpay in 2025 is straightforward and secure. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.